Wait, is America under attack? Texas skies suddenly restricted, military systems activated, and a drone shot down near the southern border. And now, a political outrage that is exploding in Washington. Welcome to Times XP, and let's break this down. Near El Paso, Texas, a US military counter drone system reportedly fired a laser. Yes, a laser, and brought down a drone operating in that particular area. But you know what? Here's the twist. The drone was not foreign, it wasn't hostile. It reportedly belonged to the US Customs and Border Protection, an American agency operating in American airspace. Basically, is America targeting America? Let me tell you how did this happen. After the incident, the FAA expanded restricted airspace over parts of Texas, including areas near Fort Hancock. Flights were limited, warnings were issued, and questions began pouring in. Because this wasn't the very first time, though. That's right. In fact, just days earlier, operations at El Paso International Airport were disrupted after another military anti drone laser deployment nearby. So here we have two incidents, same region, same growing concern. Who controls the sky here? Lawmakers are now asking whether coordination between the Pentagon, the Department of Homeland Security, and Aviation Authority is breaking down or not. How does a military system target a federal law enforcement drone? Well, was it a misidentification? Well, a communication failure or something more serious? Because here is why this matters. In just 6 months, officials detected more than 27,000 drones in the southern border. And that number is staggering. Add to that fact that there are nearly 1.7 million registered drones across the US. The skies are kind of crowded, and not all the drones are really friendly, right? Congress has recently given expanded powers to federal agencies to counter the drone threat. Here, the real goal is stop smuggling, prevent surveillance by cartels, and block the potential terror threats. But with greater power comes greater risk, right? Because counter drone system, specifically here we're talking about the laser based technology, they are powerful tools. They don't just jam the signal, they can physically disable an aircraft. And if deployed in busy airspace, the consequences could be severe. So here's a bigger question. Was America under attack, or was this a case of agencies not talking to each other? Well, either way, the skies over Texas have become a flashpoint now. Military hardware, border tensions, political blame, well, all colliding in one airspace corridor.